Hello, this is the first room of the map. What we'll first see when entering is this white area here in the front, which we can place portals on. If we keep turning our camera, we'll see the exit door here in the right. And if we keep doing so, we'll see another white surface by this side. This sign points us out that the water is deadly, and this impossible jump doesn't let us through this way. So the only real option is doing like so. This small gap of water might incline the player to jump. In doing so, they'll gain momentum and experience it for the first time. Now, entering in the second room, what we first see is this sort of tube here in the other side of the grid. Upon closer inspection, we'll see the exit door on the right and another surface where we can place portals. So the only real option to get out is by placing a portal here and here in this pit. If we drop down, the momentum is enough to make it this far and, well, avoid the water. But it isn't quite enough to make it to the stairs. So the only option is try using this tube, which leads us to this catwalk. And if we keep moving, we'll see we are going back to the pit on the inside. If the portal is placed correctly and we simply drop down, this time we gained enough momentum to reach the stairs. And that concludes this second room. So now in the third room, this one quite differs from the previous two, as it acts more like a challenge and thus spikes in difficulty. If we come closer, we'll first see the exit door, or we might also see this pressure button here in the center. If we press it, we'll see how the exit door opens and how these tilted panels in the backside open. The player usually takes a bit of time exploring and glancing at the elements in the map, but I'll get straight to the point. Well, we will spot this cube in an unreachable height, and the player already knows that they can grab it and place it on this pressure button. So what we can first do is get up here. We'll see these tilted panels facing the cube, and we might try to use it. But that isn't quite enough momentum to make it. So we might try again, and this time we might explore further, and we'll see this hand button over there and this pipe over here. And pretty much it leads to nowhere right now. So the only real option is going there. If we drop down, we got enough momentum to make it, and if we press the button, this platform reveals, and meaning that we can now go up there. If we drop down, this back tube sucks us in, and now we reach a greater height. And we can try right now to reach for the cube. And yes, that makes it. So we grab the cube, place it down, and we're almost done. The only thing left to do is to again gain height, place portals here and there, and that's it. That's how you complete the third room and the map.